how thick this wig, like celebrity grade hair. Like, look at this. Look at how silky it is. This is absolutely insane. Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with a wig unboxing, but this video is gonna be a little different. I actually decided to buy my first wig from TikTok Shop. When I opened this wig, it was insane. It's the most beautiful wig I've ever seen. And I was just gonna post this on TikTok, but when I saw it, I was like, I gotta share with my YouTube subscribers because y'all, I knew y'all since day one. I knew you all for years and y'all gotta see this. You really have to see this. So we're going to go ahead and get into this video, but before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, and let's get into this video. Let me tell you, when I saw this wig, I was completely shook. So this wig is from TikTok Shop. I'm not sure how I can link the wig without linking the TikTok. I bought this wig myself with my own money, you guys. So this wig was not sent to me, but on the TikTok Shop thing, I do get like a commission. But yo, buy the wig from my link because I affirmed this wig. I used Affirm to get this wig, so I need to make my money back, you guys. I've been buying from AliExpress for actually probably 10 years now. I've been buying hair bundles from AliExpress for 10 years. And I will say over that time, the quality has changed so much. I even looked at some of my older videos from about 2019 to 2020, and the wig quality we were getting at that time is completely different from the wig quality today. You don't get a full 13x4 or 13x6. You get a little U shape. The wigs aren't as thick. I will say they improved the lace. Even the wigs that aren't HD, they really did improve the lace from back then. But they really give you way less lace these days, and the thickness just is not there. But let me show y'all this wig because this is insane. This is insane. So I ordered a 40-inch 200% density 13x4 wig. So the company, here's the company. So this may or may not be my Nicki Minaj wig. Like, look at how thick this wig, like, I haven't experienced a wig this thick in forever. Like, look, this is a lot of hair. Like, I'm losing it right now. This is a really, really thick, guys. Like, Hold on. I'm gonna stand up for y'all because not only is it super thick, it's also true to length. So, let me stand up. So, like, look at this hair. This is beautiful, you guys. Goodness, this wig is so beautiful and thick. Like, I always like to throw it over my arm so you all can see, like, oh my goodness. Like, what? That is gorgeous. I haven't experienced a wig like this, and especially 40-inch wig like this in forever. This is the best 40-inch I've ever gotten. Like, I will say the only wig, if you would have to have been subscribed to me for years to know about this wig, the only wig that is comparable to this one is the one from Ho Ho Hair. It was pretty thick, but I could tell the hair quality wasn't given. But if you're even looking at this hair quality, you can see this looks like some high quality celebrity grade hair. Like, look at this. Look at how silky it is. This is absolutely insane. Like, that is crazy. So bam, need I say more? You get a real 13x4, you guys, a real one. So I try to go for 13x6s when companies have them. I usually, like, if they don't have a 13x6, I try to go to a whole different company, especially if it's AliExpress, because so few of those wigs, so few of those wigs actually have a full 13x4. So I feel like if it's like the horseshoe shape and it's a 13x6, you can work with that a little more. But you get a full 13x4. So I feel like I can work with this. As long as it's a full 13x4, I can work with it. I can part it. I can do updos. This might be my wig when I see Nicki. I might have found my wig when I see Nicki Minaj. Like, this might be it. Jet black bust down, 40 inches. And guys, I'm front row to see Nicki Minaj. Ah! Okay, let me calm down. But guys, wait, not to quote, let me calm down, by the way. But look at this wig. This is insane. Like, oh my goodness. When I saw this wig, like I said, I was not going to post this on YouTube too because I had no idea how I can link it because it's from TikTok. I lost it. Like, I was like, I have to tell y'all. Like, I was like, I have to show my YouTube subscribers. Like, because I know y'all understand this is insane. Like, I've never seen a wig this thick and 40 inches. And let me tell you, it's not $1,000 wig. I feel like a wig that looks like this, I'm over here super hyped right now, but a wig that looks like this thickness, this length, I would expect it to be like $700 to $800. I would expect it to be $800. So it was $440, you guys. It's $440, but TikTok Shop also has a coupon code. So, I'm out of breath. So, the coupon code takes $30 off a purchase over $300 or something, or over $400. So then it ends up being like $400. And then I think some tax. So it's not gonna be like $500. It's closer to the $400 region. But look at this. Oh, and it does have an elastic band for my small-headed girlies. But you know, I do have a big head, so I am obsessed, you guys. I'm not TikTok's biggest fan at all. I really don't like TikTok whatsoever. I do it because everybody does it now, and I don't know. Like, I do not like TikTok. So when TikTok Shop came around, I was like, I really don't want to do this. And I thought all the wigs on TikTok Shop were the same wigs on AliExpress, but I've never seen anything of this nature on AliExpress. I've never gotten anything like this. So this is insane, guys. Like, what? Imagine this. So I'm kind of torn if I want to do jet black or 613 when I see Nikki. But this here, this is pressure. This is insane. And let me tell you also, the shipping is extremely fast. I ordered this on Friday and it came on Monday, I believe. Either Thursday or Friday. I think, let's say Thursday, and it came by Monday. So the shipping was super fast, and it actually came from California too, so I don't know. So it was in the United States. But let me tell you, I've never, ever experienced a wig this thick. For one, even Wow Angel. Wow Angel has some of the thickest hair today on AliExpress. It's not like this might be the same thickness. No, this is thicker. This is thicker. No, this is really thick. Like, this is insane. The ends are thick. Like, this is some high quality Jada Ari hair. Like, this is some IG baddie hair. Like, my goodness. The way it falls is insane. But I just have to show you all. I had to show you all. I'm so excited. I'm gonna dye this hair jet black. I'm kind of on TikTok and YouTube right now. I'm trying to love TikTok. I'm trying. But YouTube really is my favorite. I'm gonna link the TikTok that has this wig in it. I don't know, we'll figure it out. But I'm gonna link the TikTok, and then the TikTok has the link to the wig. I don't know. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And thank you all so much for watching, you guys. Have a great day. Bye.